So, we got another month of Surface Duo 1 updates. And just like last month, there's already problems and glitches. Let's talk about it. So, we have a picture here posted by Thomas, who went ahead and showed off him trying to update to the June update. There's no release notes on the June update at this moment in time. I looked all over the internet. Microsoft hasn't put anything out. There's nothing, right? Well, the update, according to Thomas here, is a 414 megabyte update. The update improves performance and stability on your Surface Duo device. Now, here's the problem, slash the kicker. It turns out that the Surface Duo, Microsoft's launcher, does not like the update. It crashes. So if you have not updated yet, as always, whenever a new update comes out at this point, do not update. Wait till hopefully Microsoft puts out some type of fix or something. I'm not even sure for the last update if they put out a fix yet because, again, mine never had a problem. But if you are still having problems with the May update, then you might not want to update to the June update either because it looks like the Microsoft launcher is not working. So it's just more and more problems that are plaguing this device. And again, I think at some point Microsoft needs, and I hate to say this, but at some point Microsoft's going to stop putting out updates because it might get to a point where, this older hardware simply cannot handle the newer updates. There's a certain point with Apple iPhones where, Apple discontinues certain iPhones because it actually makes the iPhone slower and more glitchy if they have the most current updates, right? And that same concept happens with every phone on the market. Not every phone can get Android 14 or Android 13. Some phones can only get up to Android 10 and that's it. And obviously that's for the case that it's going to break the phone or glitch out the phone if it does get updated even more. And it's just funny how this is considered the stability and performance, or improve your performance and stability of your Surface Duo device, and it's like the opposite of stability. I mean, this thing is crashing and breaking. I will say yet again, I did update mine to the. I'm not updated mine to June's update yet. I haven't gotten it yet, so I'm waiting to get it. I'm not going to update it at this point. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm probably just going to leave it at the May update and be happy that mine did not break and just kind of leave it there because with all these other problems and glitches and issues, I'm just going to kind of chillax on these updates from Microsoft because it seems like these Microsoft updates are not positive ones. I mean, yes, obviously they're helping your device in some way, but they're definitely causing more problems overall. And I think as we go throughout the next couple months, this might get worse and worse. And Microsoft eventually might just be like, you know what? We're done. We tried. We're not doing this anymore. This is a waste of money. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.